Hey guys, Victor from Victor G Photography here, and I'm still alive. Sorry, I haven't been making any videos or anything lately. I've been really busy. For starters, I got married. Yay! Also, just life's gotten in the way with the holidays and everything, but I really wanted to start making more videos for you guys. Thank you so much for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. That's a big milestone for me. I know it's a smaller channel, but anything helps. So if you're just tuning in for the first time, definitely hit that comment or the subscription button on the bottom, and then make sure you hit the bell notifications because there's definitely going to be more videos coming up. And for you guys today, I'm posting another video. It's a behind the scenes shoot of something I did really simple, 3-light setup in my studio. So without getting too much into it, check it out. All right, you guys can see my setup right here. I have the gray backdrop behind the model. On the right hand side is my AD600 from Godox. I think it's powered at about 1/32 power with a 4-foot octo. On the left hand side, right behind her, pointing towards her, is a 400 watt strobe that I got from Adorama. It's just the typical 400 watt strobe light, and it has the strip box on the left right behind her just to kind of give her a little bit of a rim to separate her from the backdrop. Now the backdrop itself is pretty dark, and so what I did was added a speed light right behind her, and that one is the TT685 from Godox, and I believe I had that set at about 1/32 as well. Not to give a whole lot of power, but just to give a little punch just so that you can get a little bit more separation on the background. Also, the camera that I'm rocking is the D750 with the 70-200 2.8 on there. My settings, I believe, were ISO 100. The shutter speed was at 1/160th of a second. I try to keep it down. My sync speed is 2/50th of a second. I try to keep it a little bit lower than that just so that it doesn't have any risk of any banding on the image itself. And then my f-stop, I think, was at 6.3 or f7. So that right there just gives me a little bit of detail all throughout the image of her without getting too shallow or too sharp. Of course, you can see we made a little change. We have her standing now, and the difference between sitting and standing as far as photographing wise is not very different. You might have to adjust your modifiers to be able to light properly at the same height, but other than that, the settings should still be the same. I prefer to shoot doing a combination because I feel very limited with sitting, and so when they're standing, I feel like there's a lot more poses that I personally can think of for them to get into. said, it's a pretty easy setup. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Definitely, if you have any questions on specifics of how I shot it or any information that you guys just want to give to me, just let me know. Also, I'm taking suggestions for other shoots in the future. I'm really happy to be getting back into the studio again and shooting a lot more, and I can't wait to make new videos for you all. So remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.